Hey viewers, how's going on? In this video, I will be going to show you how to defrag your hard drive. If you never do this before, now do this. You will be amazing to see your computer performance. Then you will give me thanks. And if there have any speed problem with your computer or laptop, you must do this. This is so easy to do. Alright. Let's starting first, click on the Windows menu lower left of your computer. And search here writing defrag. Click on defragment and optimize drives app. Then open this window. Here select C drive. There have many options. Here you click on optimize all button. Disk defragment or starting. Wait for 1 hour to 90 minutes if your drive size is 500 gigabytes. If one use your computer daily 8 hours, they must defrag your drive every half of month 15 days regularly. Defragging rearrange the layout of files on your hard disk for faster access. If you want a best result, don't use the computer when it is running. When there has no work, you should run defrag. Status is OK. Drive defrag is complete. You can defrag your drive automatically by turn on schedule optimization. Here the option. Here set daily, weekly, monthly. Alright. Thanks for watching.